Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install pgAdmin 4 on Kali Linux 2024. First open any web browser, then go to pgAdmin official website, that is pgadmin.org. Then click on download, then select apt. So to install pgAdmin on Kali Linux we have to run these commands one by one. So install this public key, paste it, hit enter, then create the repository configuration file. Copy it, Ctrl A, paste it, hit enter. See here we have the two versions, pgAdmin desktop and pgAdmin web mode. If you want to install both the modes, you have to run this command. If you want to install only pgAdmin desktop, you have to run this one. If you want to install pgAdmin web mode, you have to install this one. Okay. See, it is not running, so what we have to do is copy this line, then paste here. So if we got the above error, we have to remove up to this dollar, then give the noble, hit enter. Now install the pgAdmin. Sudo apt install pgAdmin 4, hit enter, type and hit enter. Okay, you can ignore the error. Now go to applications, then search for pgAdmin. See here we have pgAdmin 4, it is installed. Click on it. See, now it is opening pgAdmin. Now click on add new server or right click on servers, then register, then select the server. Both are same. Now give the name pg70, name can be anything in connection. See, PostgreSQL is installed on this PC, so -postgres pgSQL. See, we have installed PostgreSQL on this machine. So give the host name. Here it is installed on localhost, so give the localhost or give the IP of the machine. Username Postgres, database also same. Provide the password of this Postgres user. Then click on save. See, we have successfully connected. Expand it, expand databases. See, we have one database. Right click on databases and select the create, then database, pg database, just for reference. So click on save. See, new database is created. We can also verify \l. See, new database, pg database is created. You can create database and verify in pgAdmin. Test. See, database is created, but it is not showing. Right click and refresh. See, new database is okay. But this is desktop mode. But if you want to connect from web mode, so we have to execute this script. Copy this one, then exit from this one. Exit Postgres user, Ctrl A, paste that script. So type manually sudo /user pgAdmin 4/bin /setup.web. See, you can copy this one or type manually this one, hit enter. Now we have to set the username account, so you can give anything. I'm giving email, and hit enter. Apache server is not running, and yes, start. See, we have successfully executed the web mode script. So copy this one or go to new tab, paste localhost, type localhost /pgAdmin 4, hit enter. Now give the user email. See here I have given whatever here you have given, that you have to give. Then provide the password that we have given. See, you got the same console, but here we won't get those server information, whatever here it is there. Okay, so we have to click on add new server or right click and select register and select server. Then provide pg 17 Kali. Then as I told you, we have to give localhost or IP or host name of this machine. Then here at the admin, give the existing user Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on expand databases. See here we got the same databases. We can also create the same like db1 save. See, it is created. Now if you want to run queries, right click on any database, then open query tool. Okay, if you go to here also, that is desktop mode, right click on databases, refresh, expand databases. See here we have the database. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure pgAdmin 4 on Kali Linux 2024.